Hi there, and welcome to the video on creating your personal account. Let's dive in. The easiest way to create your account is while shopping in an online store. When you find an item you would like to purchase and add it to your cart, you will be given the option to create an account. Fill in your name, email address, and password and click Verify Email. You'll get an email with a 6-digit code. Copy and paste it back into SmartRec and click Verify. Your account is now verified and you're good to start shopping. If ever you wish to change your username or password, you will be presented with the same verification code process. Before making a purchase or checking out, you must consent to share your information with this organization. If you would like to add other members to your account, you will be able to do so from here. Click Add Another Person. Fill in their information and click Save. Easy as pie. That'll do it for creating an account in SmartRec.